Hello everyone, so in this tutorial I will show you how to add a bot into your WIX website. First of all, we need to have an account in Snatchbot, and let's go ahead and create a bot. So let's go to my bots and then let's create a bot. Then you can choose whichever bots you'd like to use. So I'll go ahead and use this one and then click create. So now that our bot is running, we can head back to the WIX website editor. Let's go into add elements and then go down into embed code. Then we should be able to see embed HTML. So let's go ahead and click add to site. And now we can choose where to put this, whichever section. So I'll put it here. Now as you can see here, there is this code and it's asking for the code in this site. So if we go back to our Snatchbot, let's go ahead and click into channels. And then when we find our bot, let's go to get embed code. Now what we would want is to enable the bot to be displayed on our website. So we tick this checkbox and then let's copy this script. So this is the script that I want. So we'll copy this. Now let's head back to the WIX website editor and let's paste this code right here. And now let's click update. And let's take this off. Now if I click on preview, we should be able to see that the bot is right here. So I'll click get started. So as you can see, here it is. It is running. And then if I click on that, then the logo should be here. So here is your bot. And now you have embedded your own bot into your website. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.